Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly buy Binance Coin on Coinbase Wallet. So as you can see, I am now located at the home screen. This isn't the page that we want. We want the one at the very top corner. As you can see, we're at the bottom corner right here. And as you can see, we have our wallets in here. So guys, as you can see, we have the buttons which are buy, swap, and cash outs. So now that we want to actually buy, we need to press on buy. And as you can see, we have two ways of doing it. So it's either receive crypto or transfer from Coinbase. Also, it tells me that it's not supported in my region. But in general, guys, as you can see, you just press on receive crypto. This is going to be from another wallet. But if you want to transfer it from Coinbase, you will need to tap on this button down here, log in with your accounts, enter your email address and password. And after that, you will be able to buy the Binance coin from the Coinbase in your wallet in a few taps. So that's how it's done, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.